This is your market recap for May 1st, 2025. Today we had the Thursday before NFP. We had 8:30 news, 10 o'clock news, and very, well, I'll say price action you'd expect from the Thursday before NFP. So as you can see, we had a really small day in terms of open and close. So um, down to the hourly, not much really happened. Opened here. I wanted to see price rally down to here early in the morning and then rally up. Um, that was a trade that I saw was a short. It was about the only one that I saw today. So we took out this low and then came all the way up, took out this high, and then worked our way down to this hourly eventually. Again, uh, non-farm payroll kind of does these things. I'd expect price to come down here first instead of taking out this high again. The speed and volatility of this move 100% makes me think that it is manipulation, like physical manipulation, um, not the usual accumulation manipulation. This is like someone on the back end messing with algorithm and stuff like that. But we get nice reactions off constant encroachment of this hourly fair value gap, which I pointed out yesterday. So that's pretty cool. It's gonna be a fast one. There's a whole lot of nothing today. So 15-minute fair value gap, price opened, went down, took out this low, came up, sweeped it. Actually, no. The trade was here, market opened, came up, tapped the low of it, came all the way down to take out this low. And that would have been the trade. I'll show you on the 1 minute though. So after we took out this low, we came back up, tapped constant encroachment, came down again below that low, took no other liquidity. I mean, I guess you could count this, but who wants to count that? And then this macro reverses us again. This is the 10 o'clock candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extremely bullish candles with little retrace. When there's no need to go up. We're not retraced enough. In my opinion, this is, like I mentioned before, I think this is the Fed or whoever the heck is behind it, just dragging price up to take people out. Then get another macro, starts the move down for lunch. We kind of meander through lunch, and then we rally up once the algorithm resumes, take out this high, and then play bearish. You might ask, why are we playing bearish and not continuing AM sessions move? And from what I see, I don't know that I can tell you. We're bullish. We took out this high. We swept it and continued. This should be a bullish continuation. Came down, spent time accumulating within this fair value gap here, these gap between these two candles. But price rallied, stayed within this 15-minute, and then came all the way down to the hourly. So I guess at this time, NFP, what happens with it is it plays to the higher time frame bias, but on the lower time frame it does so in ways that are, I'll say, less predictable than usual. So now in the 5-minute time frame, there's really nothing. Nothing. Just came down, took out this low, back to the 15, down again. 10 o'clock hits, kind of just charge all the way up here, come down, stay in here for a bit, lunch goes, come up, take out this high, all the way down, constant encroachment. That's what I see today as, really. Now the 1 minute time frame tells us a little more. Trade that I saw today was this. There was no SMT, but again, I saw the reaction off constant encroachment of this 15-minute. Nice displacement to the downside, change in the state of delivery on the 15-second. And then came and tapped the bottom of the 15-second. This is trade of the day for me, right there. Stop if you want, could be tight. If you don't want, it could be above this high. We'll stick it above there just for our sake, targeting this low here. And if you want, you can target this low. But my finals would have been this, so. But for simplicity, we'll just stick it at this low. So boom, trade of the day right there. Very quick one. Um, another I'll say confluence is it's the macro playing bullish. Nice reaction off the 15-minute during the macro gives us a nice confirmation that we're gonna go somewhere. So again, we rally up from there. Tiny SMT up here sends us lower. This could be trade of the day, but um, this just fits the more, I'll say, this makes this trade aligns more with what I'd actually want, right? I'd want price to come down and hit this low here, this hourly. But we take out this high. The most I'm hoping for is a retrace to equilibrium. So this totally could have fit it, but again, not really looking for that. I mean, at this point, after seeing this bullish run, well, actually, no, this is a pretty good trade. Screw that. This is trade of the day. This is just one that I saw. Trade of the day is here, down. I'd take it on ES, so I don't have it up. But from there, we come down, accumulate, rally into this 15-minute, give some reaction, stay within this 1 minute, rally again, getting, keeping our bodies within the 15-minute on like the higher time frame, like the 5 and the 15-minute. Within the last hour of trading, get an SMT of these highs, taking us finally down to this hourly. I guess trade of the day, you could have it all the way down here, but honestly, from here, after this rally, I'd say, okay, we're playing bullish, and I'd have it at constant encouragement. So more so equilibrium of this bullish move. So going into the future, tomorrow is Friday of non-farm payroll, so definitely not going to look to trade. If I see something, I see something. This reaction off this hourly makes me think we're going to continue to play bullish, once again targeting, well, now I think this high is a little too much to ask. I think we're going to definitely take out this high and this one. So those are our targets. We could break down lower. I mean, we haven't reached equilibrium of this bullish move, but with this reaction off this hourly, I think it's likely that we're going to continue higher. But if we don't, then we don't, and we play what the market gives us. So this has been your market recap for May 1st, 2025.